Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And as you can see here, we're drawing Boxy Boo. The challenge from Drawn to You 2 was for me to take his drawing. Here you see I'm just kind of like figuring out where all the shapes are. To take his drawing and then kind of redraw it, my own version of it. So you see here I have the square head and the teeth, the body, the neck. I've got all these pieces here kind of laid out, and then I'm going to go in here. We've got a little D shape for the hand there. This one is kind of in a little claw shape, and you got the other leg and a little square feet and some hooks for the toes there. So yeah, I'm going to start this with the Pigment microns and get inking on this. All right, we are coming up on the end of another video here. Boxy Boo, adding a few little final touches here. And this is our final product. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.